Take her down, boys!
Look! Hurry! What is it? A time machine. I'll go get my suitcase!
Hi guys, I'm Marco Lucido from STEM St. Paulo, and today I will give you some tour about the city I created. So today, what we have here is a town that I constructed called Toontown. It is the town where the Looney Tunes presumably live in their world. With this town, I'm going to determine a comparison of two otherwise dissimilar things based on the similarity of their function and features to cells. We will start with the control center of town, which is the castle of Bugs Bunny, a secured place where genetic information for manufacturing proteins is stored. Like in the cell, they have the nucleus that overlooks the cell activities. The town also has a castle that regulates all the activities running in the town. For the castle safety, we have a castle wall that functions similarly to the nuclear membrane of the cell, regulating the entry and exit of substances into the nucleus. Without the king, also known as the chromosome, a DNA molecule found inside the nucleus, the castle cannot function. There may be issues with the cell growth because the chromosome is responsible for carrying the genetic information that allows the cell to grow. This is the blacksmith. We can find the materials or objects that the town requires. They make things that are used to finish the structures built in the town, similar to how ribosomes make the building blocks for the cell that provide structures and the support of the cell. Steel is the main export and import from Toontown, which is widely used by the town for farming, transportation, and the construction of structures, among other things. It's similar to the function of protein in that it performs a variety of important functions for the cell. This is a town's hub. This is the busiest part of town because here is the town's packaging and transportation needs are met. They package and transport objects made of steel to their intended destination. In the same way, before the vesicles are sent to their destinations, the Golgi apparatus packages proteins and lipids into membrane-bound vesicles inside the cell. This is the town's road. It serves as a route for transportation to reach their destinations. The endoplasmic reticulum does the same thing for the cell. It's a tube-like passageway where proteins are transported around the cell and to the outside. The cookhouse is the town's mitochondria, where the citizens of the town get their energy so that they can carry out their duties in the town. The chef's creation, food, is their source of energy. It serves the same purpose in the cell, producing ATP so that the cell can function properly. The farmhouse is the town's chloroplast, as photosynthesis occurs here, and the food is grown for the town using the sun's energy. The sun's energy is captured by chloroplast, which produce food for the plant cell. The warehouse, which serves as a storage facility for the town's food and waste, has separate storage areas for food and waste, in the same way that a vacuole stores a variety of nutrients that the cell requires. Workers who clean and maintain the towns are housed in the cleaner's hub. They get rid of unwanted items that could harm the town's residents. Similarly, lysosomes are responsible for cleaning and recycling substances to keep the cell running smoothly. The city wall functions similarly to the cell membrane in that it focuses on keeping harmful elements out of their town or cell. They keep an eye on what comes in from outside the town to ensure the cells or town's safety.
You're welcome.